Nice to have you here, Matt. Could you briefly introduce yourself?
Yeah, hey, thanks for having me. My name's Matthew Peterson. I run Peterson Capital Management. I also run Talus Capital out in Turkey.
Awesome. And how was your experience over the last 2 days attending our very first meeting of the Capital Alliance?
Yeah, this was a really impressive group. And actually, the structure and everything was very nice. It was a perfect amount of time. It was a perfect amount of information, and you definitely get a ton of value. It's uh, it's just an amazing group, and it's nice to see everyone in these different stages of their careers, really, really looking to expand things and grow.
Awesome. And what do you feel like the Capital Alliance community how can it add value to, asset managers like yourself who are growing and were very hungry and ambitious to grow? What value add do you think a community like this could give?
This community will naturally provide a lot of support. I think it will also just generate opportunities because as a group, we can um, I think we can accomplish a lot more when we sort of align things a little bit. We can attract different scale and level of investors. We can have conversations with very important people around the world. And yeah, I think it's almost priceless, the thing that can come out of it. I think about it like there's a whole bunch of free call options just kind of here. So it's a nice place to be.
That's a great way to put it. And Matthew, so like you've been a part of like many other conferences and forums and communities. So for those people who are also attending a lot of conferences and networking events, like how in your opinion is Capital Alliance different or more unique than them?
Yeah, I think it's totally different because most of the conferences there's either pitching ideas like a stock pitch or going to an ideas dinner. Most of them happen pretty infrequently, like once a year. This one's more about being a little vulnerable and you know committing to something that you're going to be held accountable for, and then going out and executing. And I expect the next time I see these folks, everybody's going to jump up a level. So, and then we'll keep moving. So I think it's very nice. I think everybody in this group's going to become extremely successful.
Awesome. And Matt, just my last question would be for those asset managers or people who are on the fence or who are thinking of joining Capital Alliance, what would be your message to them?
I'd say just give it a try because I think if you try one or two or three events, you'll see the value and keep coming back. But it's give it a try. It's an amazing group of people.
Awesome. Thank you.